Hi there everyone, welcome back to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, we will solve another requested machine problem by one of our subscriber using C++ programming language. Before we continue guys, I would like to say thank you so much to all the support by watching, by sharing, and most importantly by subscribing to my channel. Sa mga kapwa ko pong Pilipino guys, maraming salamat po sa mga students na nagsisend sa akin ng mga problems. Thank you so much for watching my videos, by sharing, and then pagtatanong nyo po. I really appreciate at saka pag-send nyo ng email sa akin. If you are new with my channel and then you like this kind of video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. Before we continue, I would like to shout out my friend Tom who helped me out in solving this problem. Tom is a good friend of mine and a fellow software engineer that is very good, excellent in C#, C++ in C. So he is also a frequent supporter and contributor in my channel. Thank you so much Tom. I hope that you watch this video. So we have here compound interest.cpp, the file name, and then it is written by yours truly, Jake Rodriguez, Pomperada, MIT, and then I have two websites where you can download the complete source code for free, free source code. The first one is jakerpomperada.com, and then the other one is jakerpomperada.blogspot.com. Currently guys, I'm accepting computer programming jobs, programming assignments, thesis, capstone software development, business application development, web development, desktop application, mobile, web design, IT consultancy, software testing. You can reach me in my personal email address at jakerpomperada@gmail.com, and then my location is Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, here in the Philippines in Asia. So we have here two library files, sharp include IOStream for input output, and then IOMani for input output manipulator for decimal values. Using namespace std and main, it is the starting and ending point of every C++ program. Left curly bracket, and then I declare three variables: double amount, double interest underscore rate, and years integer as initialized to 0. And then we have here the title of our program, yearly compounded interest in C++. So the subscriber asked that it will display the compounded interest every year. So give amount to loan amount, give interest, okay, interest rate, okay, wrong spelling, interest underscore rate, give number of years, and then using for loop statement, year equals 1, year less than equals to years, increment, and then to solve for the compounded interest, we have here the formula, amount multiply interest underscore rate divide by 100, and then accumulate the amount, the original amount plus the interest for every year. And then this one is to display the year, the amount in interest, and then we use the IOMani function fix it precision to, so that we have two decimal places, and then we have here close the for loop statement and a program, new line here, new line also here, to inform the user that the program has been ended, and then we close the body of our program by the right curly bracket. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code. So basically I'm using dev C++ in writing this program, but this code will work also in codeblocks. Okay, so let us compile and run. Let's say we have a loan of 1,000 pesos, interest rate 10%. How many years? Let's say 6 years. So it will display, so for the first year we have the interest rate of 100, second year 110, 121, 133, 146, and 161, for the fifth year, so the total amount to be paid is 1,771.56 pesos for 5 years, including the loan amount and a program. Another example, let's say the user will loan 25,000 pesos, interest rate 20%. How many years? Let's say 8 years. So 25,000 it will become, the total amount will be 107,495 pesos and 42 centavos, no, because the interest rate is 20%, very high. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video. I hope that you have learned something new in this yearly compounded interest in C++ programming language. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.